Hello, my name is Lillian. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally going to be trying out rice water on my hair. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so I get notified whenever I post new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. So many of you have been asking me to try rice water and I don't know why I haven't tried any earlier. Okay, actually I know why. Because I just feel like it's overhyped. I don't think it actually grows hair the way people claim that it does. But since many of you wanted to see me try it out, I decided to give it a try. So there are three ways to make rice water. You can either use the boiling method, the fermentation method, or the soaking method. I read that all methods work. I think the fermentation method is more potent, but for today I'm going to be I use the boiling method to prepare my rice water because, well, fermentation method smells really bad and I'm not really in the mood to put any bad smelling stuff in my hair. So I use the boiling method. I just boiled some rice, yeah, and strained the water out of it. So I put it in the spray bottle. So now I'm going to be using this as my rice water. So my hair is not freshly washed. It's clean. I washed my hair about 3 days ago. So my hair is clean, but it's not freshly washed. I have just shea butter in my hair. I'm not going to be washing my hair because, well, I feel like I just washed it. So I'll just be applying the rice water as it is, like as my hair is right now, without washing. Now this is my first time ever trying rice water, so I really don't know how my hair is going to turn out, but I'm willing to find out. So just spray the water in my hair and on my scalp. I hear rice water is supposed to help define your curls, so we're going to be putting that to the test. Because there is shea butter in my hair, it's going to take a while for my hair to soak in the water. So I'm just like working it in just to make sure my hair absorbs the water before moving to the other section. I'm not doing anything special. I'm basically just putting the rice water in my hair and twisting the section up. So I'm going to do the rest off camera and then I'll come and show you guys the finished result. So now I'm done applying the rice water all over my hair. So now I'm just going to untwist and just wrap my hair up. I still have some rice water left, so I'm just going to just pour everything in my hair. I don't want it to go to waste. And I'll just wrap my hair up. Then I'll cover my hair with a plastic bag. It's 1 hour later and it's time for me to rinse out the rice water, but first let me quickly show you guys what my hair looks like. Take down the... Ooh. This is what it looks like. Well, I kind of feel like it did not do anything to my hair. Like, my hair feels pretty normal, like nothing changed. But before I conclude, let me go and rinse out the rice water. Now I'm done rinsing out the rice water and let me take down my bun and show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is what my hair looks like. My hair feels pretty soft, like soft. I was expecting it to be kind of hard and crunchy because I hear from previous videos I've watched, people say it made their hair hard, but my hair does not feel hard at all. It feels soft. I don't know if that's a good thing. Maybe because of the shea butter in my hair, because I had shea butter before applying the rice water, so maybe that kind of like prevented the hard or crunchy feeling. But my hair feels soft. I was actually hoping it would harden my hair a bit, but it feels soft. And did it define my curls? I don't think it defined my curls. I don't think it did anything. To be honest, this was not what I was expecting. I was expecting my hair to feel like I just did like a protein treatment or something, but my hair doesn't feel anything like that. It's just soft, and I don't like the fact that it's soft. I know that sounds strange, but like I do not like the fact that my hair is soft. I would have preferred it to be a little hard, because I was hoping I would replace this as, instead of doing a protein treatment, because I think I'm due for a protein treatment, but like it just made my hair soft. I hear that rice water is supposed to help reduce breakage and shedding, so I'm going to put that to test. I'm just going to braid my hair as I normally would on wash days, like just randomly braid my hair. So let's do that and then see if I'm going to lose any less hair than I normally lose. Like my hair is so soft that I do not feel like I need to apply anything in my hair right now. I do not feel like I need any products. Like it feels so soft. But just for doing sake, I'm going to apply some of my shea butter on my hair to help detangle. Just lightly on my ends. I was expecting my hair to feel kind of like the way it normally does when I apply eggs on my hair, like to just feel a bit harder, but I'm surprised. I can't say if I'm pleasantly surprised, because right now I really do not know if I'm actually pleased or I'm upset. I don't know how I feel right now, but I'm just surprised. This was not what I was expecting. I also hear that rice water helps to increase elasticity of hair. So I was expecting my hair to shrink up a lot more than it did. But like my hair, like as you guys saw earlier, it did not shrink as it normally does, like after washing my hair. I don't know if it's because of the fact that I had shea butter in my hair before applying the rice water. I really do not know, but I really don't know how I feel right now, to be honest. So let me know in the comment section below if you experienced anything like this when you tried rice water. I really want to know if it's just me or people have actually experienced this. My hair feels so moisturized. I don't know why I'm complaining about this. I feel like I should be happy because that's what many people want, their hair to be like moisturized and soft and stuff like that. But I don't like that my hair is just so moisturized. I like my hair kind of hard, like kind of hard. I don't know how to explain it, but not soft. But let me just stop complaining. I feel like I'm just being ungrateful. Now I'm done braiding all my hair. This is how much hair I lost. Like, this is way smaller than the amount of hair I normally use. The rice water helped me reduce shedding and breakage. I know I said I did not like it at first, but I think I like the effect it has on my hair. Like, I have high porosity hair, and so normally my hair gets dry really fast, but I think the rice water, and I also think the shea butter in my hair has something to do with these two, but I feel like it didn't make my hair dry out as fast as it normally would. So the rice water helped me to retain moisture. Like, my hair is still not damp, but like it feels really flexible and moisturized. Well, I like how it feels. Like, my hair feels good. So will I be doing this again? Probably. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm going to make it a part of my routine, but I would like to give it a try again, just the rice water alone without the shea butter, just to know what it did and what the shea butter was responsible for. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to be a part of this family. So thank you for watching. See you in my next